In early radios, vacuum tubes were used for radio design. A vacuum electronic tube consists of an external glass shell, internal electrodes, and pins connecting the electrodes. Due to the fact that the interior of the glass shell is evacuated to facilitate the flow of free electrons, the electron tube is also known as a vacuum tube. The use of electronic tubes can achieve wireless communication and amplification functions, and has good high power and linearity characteristics. But the disadvantages of electronic tubes are also obvious: large size, high power consumption, severe heat generation, short lifespan, and the need for high voltage power supply. In order to overcome the limitations of electronic tubes, in 1945, Bell Laboratories established a semiconductor research group led by Shockley, who invented a device that amplifies the original current with weak current and named it a transistor. Due to the small size and low required voltage of transistors, they began to replace electronic tubes after their appearance. The first product to achieve commercial application of semiconductor transistors was the radio. In 1954, Regency Corporation released TR-1, becoming the first commercial semiconductor transistor radio. In order to distinguish between radios made with semiconductor transistors and those made with mainstream electronic tubes, semiconductor transistor radios are directly referred to as transistors or semiconductors. This is also the reason why modern radios are called semiconductors.